Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar app and click on it. Now click on this little icon at the bottom right corner and just got it. After that, you need to click on the month above and click on the date that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. Now create your event by tapping over here. Or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on event. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Now select starting hour and ending one. If you wish to disable this feature completely, you can always do that by selecting this switcher next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every week. If you don't, just set up Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, add location over here, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. Tap on Done, take notes, and when you're ready, save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, you need to click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes and discard them by choosing top left corner over here and selecting Discard, or save them by choosing Save. If you wish to delete your event, you can always do that by clicking on it as well, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on delete at the top, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!